Tired of AI art generators giving you a different face every time? Let's talk about achieving AI image consistency with Leonardo Ai's game-changing Alchemy. The key to consistent characters and scenes lies within Leonardo Ai's powerful Alchemy features. And today, we're unlocking them first. Let's set up our base image for this example. I've generated a charming wizard with a distinct appearance. Notice his pointed hat, flowing beard, and simple robes. Now, to ensure this wizard reappears consistently, we'll utilize the image-to-image feature. Upload your desired reference imager wizard into the init image slot. This tells Alchemy what we want to replicate. Crucially, we activate Alchemy by flipping this toggle, but we're not stopping there. Beneath Alchemy, you'll find Guidance Scale. This controls how closely the AI adheres to your prompt and your init image for strong consistency. We'll push this up, maybe to around 7 to 8. You can experiment, but higher values mean stronger adherence. Next is image strength. This directly influences how much the initial upload impacts the generation to maintain strong character likeness. We want a significant impact here. A value of around 6 to 7 is a great starting point. Experiment with this if your characters are drifting too much or not changing enough. Now, let's see Alchemy in action with our reference image loaded, Alchemy engaged, and our guidance and image strength dialed in. We can now modify our prompt to introduce new elements. Watch how our wizard, while holding a spellbook, remains undeniably the same character. By mastering these Alchemy settings, leveraging your init image, fine-tuning the guidance scale, and adjusting image strength, you can create truly cohesive AI-generated art projects, ensuring your characters and scenes maintain their unique essence across every single generation. Happy creating!